everyone, it's day 5 and I have magnets for cleaning today. Now I will be segregating all the magnets. All these magnets have been bought over a period of time from different stores. To store them neatly, I will be using these plastic leaflets. Now these square magnets I have bought from different stores like Alpha Key, then also from a local stationery shop in Ruvi. Now this magnet is really strong and I bought it from Daiso, and this magnet can be used for resin artwork or ceramic artwork because those such pieces require really strong magnets. And I'm keeping that with other magnets which I bought it from Crafters Corner India. Usually I use these small round magnets in my scrapbooks. Now this is a magnet strip which I bought it from Al Fakir, again local store here in Muscat, and even these cute little magnets I bought it from Daiso. These are some metal pieces. ये जो metal plate है ये मुझे एक bag से मिला था. The best thing about this metal plate is that it can be cut. थोड़ा difficult है but yes it can be cut. मेटल प्लेट या मेटल पीस यूज़ करने से मैग्नेट भी कम यूज़ होते हैं और इफ़ यू यूजिंग मैग्नेट इन एनी ऑफ योर क्राफ्ट्स. तो आई होप आपको ये वीडियो भी यूज़फुल लगा होगा. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. बाय बाय.